Almost every other dish in the world is incomplete without onions. While most people use it to add flavor and aroma to their food, onions are much more than just a kitchen staple. This humble veggie has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years and is known to offer a wide range of health benefits. Ancient Greeks used it to purify their blood, while medieval doctors prescribed it to help treat headaches, heart diseases, and mouth sores. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 health benefits of onions that you don't want to miss out on. Number 1. Packed with antioxidants. Onions are a good source of antioxidants and contain at least 25 types of flavonoids. These compounds, especially quercetin, have potent anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, which can help prevent cell damage caused by free radicals and fight against diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Number 2. Regulate blood sugar. If you have diabetes, onions are an excellent way to help keep your blood sugar levels steady. The flavonoids in onions stabilize blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that eating raw red onions can lower fasting blood sugar levels and decrease triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Number 3. Boost digestive health. Onions also contain dietary fiber and prebiotics, which are crucial for optimal gut health. Prebiotics are food for good gut bacteria and can help strengthen digestion, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. By adding onions to your diet, you can improve your digestive health and overall well-being. Number 4. Improve bone density. While dairy is known for its bone-strengthening properties, foods like onions may also support strong bones. This is due to their ability to reduce oxidative stress, increase antioxidant levels, and prevent bone loss, which can help prevent osteoporosis and boost the overall density of your bones. Number 5. Promotes cardiovascular health. The antioxidants and compounds found in onions can help reduce the risk of heart disease by fighting inflammation, lowering triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Eating raw onions can also improve blood circulation, reduce high blood pressure, and prevent the risk of heart disease. But the perks of onions don't stop there. They also have antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help fight infections and prevent foodborne illnesses. Onions also boost brain function, improve skin health, and may even aid in weight loss. So, if you want to do something good for your body, don't be afraid of its pungent taste and acrid scent, and make onions a regular part of your diet.